Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistant. Singapore Airlines grounds Airbus A380s. What's really going on? Singapore Airlines has temporarily grounded several Airbus A380 aircraft as part of routine fleet management and operational planning. The move reflects changing travel demand, maintenance schedules, and network optimization, ensuring efficiency while maintaining the airline's premium long-haul service standards worldwide. Launch Customer Role. Singapore Airlines (SIA) was the world's first airline to operate the Airbus A380 commercially, receiving its initial aircraft in 2007 and launching passenger services between Singapore and Sydney. This positioned SIA as a pioneer in super jumbo operations. Pre-pandemic retirements. Before the COVID-19 crisis, SIA began phasing out older A380s. The very first commercial A380 9-volt SCA was retired in 2017, followed by others as leases expired or due to shifting fleet strategies toward more efficient aircraft. COVID-19 grounding. In 2020, the global pandemic drastically reduced air travel demand, leading SIA to ground its entire A380 fleet. The high operating costs and large capacity made the aircraft uneconomical to fly with low load factors. Fleet reduction. Taking advantage of the downturn, SIA retired 7 A380s in November 2020 after a business review, reducing the fleet from 19 to 12 aircraft. Some retired units were scrapped for parts. Post-pandemic reactivation. As travel recovered, SIA gradually returned the remaining 12 A380s to service, completing cabin refits with updated products. By late 2024, all 12 were back in the skies, though maintenance often kept a few grounded temporarily. Current operations. December 2025. As of late 2025, SIA operates its 12 A380s on high-demand routes, including year-round services to London Heathrow, Sydney, Delhi, and Mumbai, with seasonal deployments to Auckland, Frankfurt, and Shanghai. The fleet supports around 112 weekly flights in the winter 2025-26 season. Ongoing maintenance challenges. In 2025, 2-3 A380s are typically out of service at any time for scheduled heavy maintenance, wing inspections, or cabin work, reflecting the aging fleet's needs. Passenger appeal. Despite operational challenges, the A380 remains hugely popular with passengers for its spacious cabins, quiet ride, and premium features like Suites Class, contributing to strong demand on deployed routes. Future outlook. SIA acknowledges the A380 as much loved but aging, and plans eventual replacement with more efficient types like the Boeing 777X and Airbus A350. No firm retirement timeline exists, but operations are scheduled through at least mid-2026. No full grounding in 2025. Contrary to any suggestions of widespread grounding, SIA's A380 fleet is actively flying in December 2025, with only routine individual aircraft parked for maintenance or as operational spares. Singapore Airlines' experience with the Airbus A380 highlights the aircraft's strengths in premium, high-volume hub-to-hub routes but also its vulnerabilities to economic shocks and fuel inefficiency. The initial groundings stemmed primarily from the COVID-19 pandemic's impact on demand, forcing a fleet rationalization that saw permanent retirements. However, strong post-pandemic recovery in long-haul travel, particularly on slot-constrained routes like London and Sydney, justified reactivating the remaining dozen aircraft. The A380's four-engine design and massive capacity, up to 471 seats in SIA's configuration, made it ideal for pre-pandemic peak demand but costly during lows. Retiring 7 units in 2020 allowed SIA to cut excess capacity while preserving the best examples, all retrofitted with modern cabins featuring 6 private suites, expanded business class, and enhanced premium economy. In 2025, operational realities include periodic individual groundings for mandatory checks, common for an aircraft type no longer in production since 2021, complicating parts availability. Yet, the fleet's utilization has increased, with routes expanding seasonally to capture peak travel, such as Southern Hemisphere summer traffic to Auckland. Looking ahead, while the A380 continues to deliver exceptional passenger experiences and helps SIA meet capacity needs amid delays in new aircraft deliveries, its days are numbered. The airline's hub-and-spoke model will shift toward twin-engine widebodies for better economics. For now, though, the Super Jumbo endures as a flagship symbol of luxury aviation at SIA. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.